Hey everyone, I am back for my 22nd episode of my Lip Color of the Day series. Today I'm going to be doing this Splash Liquid Lipstick in the color Sizzling, which is a bright red. And I'm also going to be doing this lip liner in the color Primal. I'm going to start with this first. Okay, and here you have it. This is a true crimson, bright fire engine red, and this is in the color Sizzling. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.